Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create, modify and delete the supplier in vttransaction. So for that purpose we'll come in setup menu. Here in accounts option we'll get option of suppliers. Okay, so as of now we don't have any supplier, so let's create new supplier. I'll just enter the name of the supplier. I can also give account number to supplier, then after contact details, addresses, then after I can set credit terms. I can select the VAT status of supplier. I can enter VAT details of supplier. Then after I can enter bank details of supplier and some special notes if I want to add. By clicking on OK, as you can see our supplier has been created. If I want to edit the supplier, then I have to click on supplier and will click on properties. So we'll get same display. Okay. After modifying details, we'll click on OK. I can move this supplier from one group to another group easily. I can delete the supplier from here. I can see the transactions of the particular supplier from here. Let me create new supplier. Let me show you how to delete the supplier. Okay. So first of all, I need to select the supplier and we'll click on delete option. Okay. I have shown you the supplier creation from setup menu. This is the shortcut key of supplier. So we can also create, modify and delete the supplier from here. Okay. As you can see, we'll get same kind of display. We can also change the details of particular supplier from this option. We can also delete the account. We can also move account from here. And third way is we can also create supplier at the time of entering purchase invoices. For that purpose, we'll come in transactions. Here we'll get option of purchase invoices. So as you can see, the list of supplier. Okay. We can also set up a new account from here. Sub 003. As you can see, we can also modify the details of particular supplier from here. We can delete the supplier. We can also see the transaction of that particular supplier from here. So these are the three ways by which you can create suppliers in vttransaction. Okay. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Can you like the video and subscribe the channel? Thank you.